What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Auxiliary battery charge, electric shift control system, engine oil pressure, hands-off warning light, master warning light, red, seat belt warning light, SRS airbag warning light, active stability control, active stability control off, acoustic vehicle alerting system, brake system, check engine warning light, electric power steering, forward collision mitigation system, hill descent control system on, low tire pressure, master warning light, yellow, plug-in hybrid EV system, rear automatic emergency braking system off, automatic high beam, brake auto hold indicator light, orange, brake auto hold indicator light, green, charging indicator, drive battery temperature warning light, exterior light indicator, front fog light indicator light, high beam indicator light, innovative pedal operation mode indicator, ready indicator, turn signal hazard indicator lights, brake warning light. Electric parking brake warning light. Anti-lock braking system warning light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Gauges and meters. Speedometer. Electric vehicle cruising range display. Energy level gauge. Fuel gauge. EV mode indicator. Odometer. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.